Hello everyone, my name is Megha and welcome back to my channel English with Megha, and today we are here to learn a prepositional phrase, and the phrase is by, way to, of. Hold on. Is it correct way to pronounce this word? We to? Here you can see the phrase, and generally what we do, we follow the spelling, right, in order to pronounce words. But here this is not the case. So don't follow the spelling. The real and exact pronunciation is virtue, by virtue of. So be careful when you pronounce this phrase. Alright, now let's see what is the meaning of this phrase. So हिंदी में इसका मतलब है के कारण, ठीक है, इन टिपिकल हिंदी. तो इसकी जगह पे हम बिकॉज ऑफ या फिर एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ, ये दो फ्रेज भी यूज़ करते हैं. तो यू कैन से दैट दीज phrases are interchangeably. Alright, so we can explain it, or we use by virtue of to explain why something happens, alright, or why something is true. So basically we are giving reason here, right? Let's have few examples so that we can understand it in better way. The first one is she got promoted by virtue of her greater experience. किसके कारण? उसके greater experience के कारण उसे promotion मिला. Alright. Second one, he recovered quickly by virtue of his wife's exceptional care. वो जल्दी रिकवर हो गया. क्यों? किसके कारण? उसकी वाइफ के एक्सेप्शनल केयर के कारण. ऑलराइट, तो इस तरीके से आप सेंटेंस में बाय वर्चू ऑफ को यूज कर सकते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ बिकॉज ऑफ और इंस्टेड ऑफ एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ. नाउ वन क्वेश्चन इज डांसिंग इन माई हैंड, एंड द क्वेश्चन इज, can we use by virtue of instead of because of in each situation? I mean, are they interchangeable in each circumstance? I have doubts. So let's decode it. But before we move ahead to this question, let's understand what is the meaning of the word virtue individually. Virtue, what does it mean? हिंदी में इसका मतलब है गुण, सदाचारी, सदाचार. So virtue is a good quality or a way of behaving. Either we can say doing and thinking what is right and avoiding what is wrong. So this is called virtue. So by virtue of, as the word implies, gives it a sense that the thing positively contributed. That means कि किसी चीज के कारण कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है, कुछ बुरा नहीं. Not in a negative way but in a positive way. It is true that most of the sentences involving causation and we use by virtue of and because of interchangeably. Although we consider them synonyms, I will argue that there is a subtle difference in some uses. Yes, and I'll show you through examples. Consider the sentence. His house was repossessed because he was unable to make the monthly lease payment. ऑलराइट, रिपोजेस्ड मतलब जब्त, उसका घर जब्त हो गया क्योंकि वो मंथली पेमेंट जो है वो करने में सक्षम नहीं है. ठीक है, तो ये सेंटेंस है. लेट्स फ्रेम द सेम सेंटेंस बाय यूजिंग द वर्चू ऑफ, एंड हियर इज द सेंटेंस. सो हिज हाउस वाज रिपोजेस्ड बाय वर्चू ऑफ हिज इनएबिलिटी टू मेक द मंथली लीज पेमेंट. Now sentence is understandable. I mean, we can understand the sentence, but is the inability to pay a virtue? मतलब क्या किसी चीज़ को पे नहीं कर पाना एक गुण है? क्या एक अच्छी बात है? क्या ये पॉजिटिव चीज़ है? नहीं ना. So doesn't the sentence seem a little silly because this sentence is not reflecting positivity? So in my understanding, we cannot use by virtue of in this kind of scenarios. This is my observation. Similarly, if I say the share market is crashed because of inflation, it makes sense. It is understandable, right? We can understand easily. But if I say the share market is crashed by virtue of inflation, does it make any sense? Don't you feel odd? I mean, थोड़ा हिला हुआ लग रहा है ना? Yes, so this is something I'm trying to say, that we can use because of in each situation. I mean, whether it is positive or negative. But when it comes to use by virtue of, we always make sure that we use for positive outcome or for positive contribution. Alright? I hope you got the idea of using by virtue of in sentences, and also you understood the difference, the slight difference between the uses of by virtue of and because of. So that's all for today, and I hope you like this video. If you like, so please do consider to like, subscribe and share. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification of my videos immediately. And lastly, I would like to say that please make your own sentences by using this prepositional phrase and write down below in the comment section. Also, if you have any question, any queries, you can write me. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you next video. Till then, bye bye.